Egyptians so very special?
When we think of ancient Egypt,
till it finally reached the Guinness Book of Records.
The giant of Egypt. In the name of Allah. 2 years ago now,
Let's go!
I met people in Egypt who are the tallest in the world. We must make this video reach the Guinness Book of Records. After our video, and thanks to you, Muhammad and Huda,
They have achieved at least 5 records.
they are now in the Guinness Book and everyone knows them. Today, guys, we're in Egypt, Cairo. But Muhammad lost his sister. May Allah have mercy on her. The loss of his sister left Muhammad alone among his family because his sister was the person closest to him. Muhammad was praying that he would have a new source of livelihood that would open up new horizons for him in life.
And I begin with praise of him to the number of his creators, to the weight of his throne. All praises to Allah, praise in abundance, good and blessed.
Here's the pretty girl. It'll be delivered tomorrow. Thanks, Mahmoud. This is Kareem's brother. Look at how he decorated and prepared it. What happened is that we didn't expect that the video would go viral, but it reached the whole world. How many views? 26 million?
Yes, by the grace of Allah.
His story reached every part of the world, so it's time for us
To visit him and check on him and see how he's doing.
We'll check on him and see what happened to him after the Guinness records. We also brought him a gift and he doesn't know about it. This car is for him to rent.
He knows you're coming, but he doesn't know what you're bringing.
Okay, we told him we would bring a surprise.
Joe is coming to visit you, we told him.
Good.
Let's go.
This is for his mother too.
Exactly.
He deserves more, but this is what we can do. But of course, how did we manage to buy this car? There's someone else who contributed. This car is from you too. You are a big part of this. We'll transport it by a tow truck, that's better. With a tow truck so we don't drive because it's new. We will pick up the car and drive 2 hours to a Shari'ah.
Bring the handle down.
I can't wait to see his reaction. Whew, this one.
We're going to Zagazig at Shakriya.
Thanks to everyone who contributed to this. A small city called
Welcome to Al Sharqiya.
the Shari'ah. Hey, Muhammad!
Welcome.
Oh my God. How do I
Chris.
greet you? Long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine. Muhammad,
Mashallah.
brother, how are you? All good. What's up?
What did you do, Muhammad? 26 million views? You've had great success.
Yes.
You've broken records. Your hands have grown more.
Yes. Allah opened the door. Come in.
Your head is not hitting the ceiling like it used to.
No, please come in.
Shall I take my shoes off? Look at the difference. Guinness record. Did they come after the video?
Yes, immediately after the video.
What did they say to you?
They took us to a hotel.
Really?
And we're accompanied by doctors with ponytails who measured our heights for 3 days. My sister was with me too, may Allah have mercy on her. We stayed at the hotel and they measured our height 3 times a day. They measure your height 3 times? Yes, in the morning, at noon, and in the evening. And then after 20 days, maybe a month, they came back to us again. Which records have you achieved? The largest palm.
The largest palm in the world.
And the largest arms too. And my sister Huda had the largest woman's palm in the world, the largest feet, and was the tallest woman in the world.
Now, after 2 years, we
Yes.
returned to see Muhammad and how his life is
And
going.
Muhammad has also grown taller. Have you grown taller than before? Yes.
I think we won another Guinness record.
I started to need longer clothes. I untied the fold here. This is the difference between the previous height and his height now. Now he has undone the fold in the tail of the soap.
Now you can get a second Guinness record?
Yes, they have already told me they will come again.
They'll come again?
Yes. He says his shoes are custom made for him because no one sells shoes his size.
So you're now the tallest man in the world? Now he should get the title of the tallest man in the world because he's taller than Sultan in Turkey.
Peace be upon you. How are you?
How are you doing? Look, these are the prizes. 5 records with his sister. May Allah have mercy on her. 5. Imagine, he's got all these records. He should be in a much better place than this. Really?
Could you help her, please?
How did you feel when you read the comments and saw people's support?
I felt happy.
Really?
And pleased, especially when I saw the number of the views. When a video on a channel like Chahta's reached 26 million views and 1 million likes, this is a great thing for me.
Now the likes have reached 1.2 million.
Yes, over 1 million. There are a lot of comments from kind people, and there are people who bully as well. Not all of them are positive.
But
the majority of the comments are supportive and respectful. Joe's channel deserves all the kindness and appreciation in the world.
You and I should travel together.
Of course.
Okay.
God willing.
Tell us in the comments, guys, where do you want me and Muhammad to go?
Come here. Come. Come on. Come on. What were you hoping to get?
We brought you a little gift. Hey, Muhammad. We brought you a little gift.
Thank you.
Look.
Look, what's this?
Whose name is this?
Give me a kiss. Kiss. He says he wants to kiss you. Thank you.
Muhammad is now getting an injection to slow his growth. Many doctors from Britain have contacted me to examine Muhammad's condition. So far, the injection has stopped his growth, but he has become taller. Here, take it. Enjoy it.
We were hoping to get a car, and Joe brought the cards if he knew what we wanted.
You were hoping for a car, but we had bought it already, and we're hiding it.
We were saying we wanted a car just now. This means a lot to me, and your visit is a great thing for me.
This car's from the audience. Let's thank them.
What's this?
In the end, we want to say thank you to all of you.